If we'd like to put doors and windows in our structure here, we can just go over to the door tool, say, and if we go into the settings up here in the info box, you can see we've got a variety of folders here. We've got wood internal doors, we've got specialty doors, arch doors. We'll go back to entrance doors, and I'll just click on this D1 entrance door here. Click OK. And I'll just zoom in and notice my cursor changes shape when it gets near the edge of the wall here. That means I can click on the wall. And then where I then second click, if you will, second left click is going to be where the door opens to. So if I click up here into the left, the door opens up into the left. Click on a wall and then click up into the right, the door will open up into the right. Click on a wall and down to the left, again the door will be down and to the left. Window tool. Again, we've got a bunch of folders. We can just pick a window we want, casement window, click on it, click OK, and just click on a wall where we want our window and click to the outside and it places the window in there. Go into 3D and check out what we have here. Now, if you select a window or you're about to place a window, you'll see some settings up here, and you can see that the size of this window here, if I have it selected, is 5 feet by 5 feet. And you can see this first one is the width of the window. So if I change that to be 2 feet, you can see our window gets much more narrow, almost too narrow if you will. So we'll make that 4 feet. The position of our window here, you can see it's header to story 1. We'll learn about stories later. We could change this to be header to wall base. Now the head of the window is up here, 5'10" and something. So if I change that to be 7 feet, and when we're talking about the head of the window, we're talking about the top of the window. So it's 7 feet from the top of the window to the base of the wall. We can scroll over here in the info box and change that from the header to the wall base to sill to wall base. And you can see sill to wall base now is 2 feet. Does that make sense? Because we have a 5 foot tall window. Before it was 7 feet from the header to the wall base. Now it is 2 feet from down here in the sill of the window to the wall base. So if we change this to be 1 foot, our window is 1 foot above the wall base.